Students, so today we discuss the new chapter in the second year chemistry intermediate syllabus. So here on the chapter, just the chapter was related to the general topics. That means, for example, whenever we are diseases or when we are suffering from some diseases, so we are using the number of types of the tablets, nothing but number of types of the medicines. Here that medicines can be made up of our chemical substances. So different type of medicines will be used in the different type of the chemical substances, and different type of the chemical structures can be used in that medicines. So in this chapter, briefly we discuss about the what is the mean by the medicine and how the chemical substances can be used in that medicines and preparation of that medicines. So today our chapter is new chapter is that is related to the our real life, general life, that is the chemicals are used in our real life, nothing but the chemistry in everyday life. What is that? Chapter name is the chemistry in everyday life. This is our chapter. So in this chapter, first we have to know what is the mean by the drug. First we have to know the what is the mean by the drug. Then we move to the meaning of the medicine. Drug means nothing but it can be defined as the chemical substances of low molecular weight, nearly 100 to 500 units, react with macromolecular target and produce the biological response that is called as a drugs. Okay, student. So this is the meaning about the drugs. Drugs means nothing but the chemical substances of low molecular weight. Chemical substances, what is that? With low molecular weight that can be react with macromolecular target. Macromolecular target, then it produces the biological response that is called as a drug. So this is the meaning about the drug. Then here the different type of the drugs will be present. So types of drugs. Mainly the drugs can be classified into 4 categories. Drugs can be classified into 4 categories. On that one is based on the pharmacological effect. One type of drug is based on pharmacological effect. So this type of drug can be used in only doctors in hospitals and the specific drugs for the specific diseases. What is that? Based on the pharmacological effect. Here these type of drugs can be used for specific diseases. We are using the specific drugs. So that is the one type of the drug. Another type is the based on the drug action. Based on the drug action also we are divide the drug. What is that? Second category is the drug action. Third one is the chemical structure, nothing but the chemicals are used in that drugs. That is the chemical structure. Depend on the chemical structure also we should classify the drug. And fourth category is the molecular targets. What is that? Based on the molecular target also we should classify the drug. So based on these 4 types of categories, the drugs can be 4 different types will be present. On that one is based on pharmacological effect and based on the drug action and based on the chemical structure and based on the molecular target. Drugs can be classified how many types? 4 types of the drugs will be present. So in this chapter, another some new words will be arising. Here first we have to know the meaning of that terminology. So another one is the drug target. What is that? Drug target. What is the mean by drug target? Means the drugs interact with the biomolecules. What is that, students? The drugs interact with the biomolecules. In our human body, biomolecules means like a proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, etc. What is that? Drug target. Drug is target on human body. Which is the drug target? Drug interact with the biomolecules like proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, etc. These are act as a drug target. So here the macromolecules is called target molecules. What is that, students? Macromolecules. Macromolecules like a biomolecules. Example, proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates. These are act as a target molecules for drugs. Okay, students, clear? Here the drug target means macromolecules like a biomolecules. Example, proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates will be act as a target molecules for drug. So that is the meaning of the drug target. And now we have to know the meaning of the medicine. Okay, student, medicine. What is the mean by the medicine? Simple meaning. When drugs produce a therapeutic and useful biological response are called as a medicines. Okay, students, if the drugs produce a therapeutic, okay, drugs produce a therapeutic and that drugs useful biological response that are called as a medicines. Drugs produce a therapeutic and useful for biological response, that is called as a medicines. Well-known example for medicine in our real life. For fever, we are using the paracetamol. So this is the one of the example for medicine. Similarly, aspirin. It is also example for the medicine. So this is the meaning about the medicine. Then the chemicals are used in the treatment is called as a chemotherapy. Here another terminology, it is the chemotherapy. What is the mean by the chemotherapy? Means the chemicals are used in treatment. The chemicals are used in treatment, that is called as a chemotherapy. Okay, students, chemotherapy means the chemicals are used in a treatment, that is called as a chemotherapy. So this is the meaning about the drug target and medicines and chemotherapy.